this week on Atelier Design.
All right, so here is a new project for Tripp and I. It is a double shotgun, and we're just starting demo. So I'm excited to go in and see what's going on.
So in getting to the start of this shotgun renovation, you can see here in the floor plan currently the way they're using the house is we walk in, here's the front porch, we walk in, here's the living room space, here's the dining room space. Currently there's this big fireplace, so the dotted lines are what we plan on taking down. So currently there's a big separation in this front room, and this is the typical shotgun plan. You can see where these walls are here and these windows. They were very, very similar. So it was a double, so it literally went 1, 2. This would have been a bay here. That was probably, I guess, maybe it had this insert, or I think this insert was probably put in later at some point. So it would have gone 1, 2, 3, and then this would have been the 4th. And then at some point, some plumbing and some kitchens were usually put back into this other side. So at some point, this got renovated into a single, and the kitchen got moved up into here. And so currently, she is using the front bedroom as her daughter's bedroom, and this is her primary bedroom, and they are sharing this bigger bathroom. But as her daughter is getting older, she wants her to have her own space, and she needs her own space as well. And so we're going to flip-flop these bedrooms, and she's going to lose the guest bedroom, which she decided to do in order to have a much big living space, because you can see right now everything is pretty chopped up. So if we take and look at a perspective, this is what it's going to be. But if we look at what it is existing, when you walk into the house, you can pretty much see, and this modeling is not all perfect, but you can pretty much see that you have the dining room there. There's this little throughway to the kitchen, and this room is pretty closed in, and you've got the fireplace. At some point in time, they took off the fireplace at the top down to the roof because there must have been some leaking. So what we're going to do is open it up, and there you can see that we've got much more space, and we can create a nice big living room.
All right, Tripp, we're in our new project. What'd you do? You made a mess.
Sure did.
It's gone.
Fireplace is gone.
The fireplace is gone. The walls are gone. We have one big room. It's nice. And then this didn't go up through the chimney, the roof anyway. So we're all clear here.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's our problem.
Yeah, and it's not so much there as it is right here.
Right.
It's like here.
Well, I think.
So the new floor plan looks like this. We leave this big, beautiful cased opening. This is where we're having a little trouble with a bump out here.
I mean, that's really weird to leave that bump out right there.
Yeah.
I mean, she's
Well,
made
that
me
is a
tomorrow.
return here, and it does go all the way back to here.
Yeah. Oh, so is that why they did it?
Yeah.
Originally, I thought that we might fur out this wall, but then that gets into too much of a problem with the bookcase. This is where the AC return air is, which you've got to keep.
Because this wall, I think the structural part of this wall is here. So the other option is to bump the return air this way by this.
I mean, I think that's what I would do. Right?
Yeah, and then we can leave the cabinet be cheaper than.
Yeah.
Because he can't modify.
There's the return.
So what Tripp is in the process of doing is getting this wall aligned with this. This was a double stud wall because they're used to apparently big pocket doors, which are no longer there.
Why would they have done that?
Because this was a pocket door. This space was here.
Oh.
I'm assuming.
So maybe they pulled this. That's just so weird that it wouldn't have been the same at one point in time.
Yeah.
It would have been great if we found the big pocket doors, but someone must have taken them out.
Okay, so that was the mantle. So we can give this to the green project.
Yeah.
Actually, let me see it. I need a mantle. I'm just gonna collect from clients. I do need a mantle. if it's just gonna be donated. It might be donated to me. Oh, that's kind of pretty, man. Okay, I'm gonna have to measure that.
So we're going to create this big room. She's going to have space for a nice TV. We're going to do a sectional, a couple of chairs, a chest, leave her bookcase, add some extra storage. Storage is really, really important to her, as are her books. So we're going to leave that there. Then we're going to create a nice big dining room right here, leave her kitchen. And then she really wanted a nice little, she calls it the sitting room or even the music room. And we're going to do some built-in bookcases. So originally we weren't going to take out that little jog right here, but we decided to because it allowed us to create some built-in bookcases here.
So
this area here, this is, very tall.
yeah, that is very tall.
I think the plan is to keep it, so it's a 39-inch vanity.
But yeah, I think she wanted to paint it.
Okay.
But I think besides that.
And this, whether we keep this or not, is in question. I don't think it houses anything that's important, but it might.
I don't love it. But I'll ask her about that. Okay, so then this is where you were asking me.
I get why if we came out, the plan say 1 foot 3 and change.
Yeah.
So right about there.
I would close this in and make it all symmetrical.
Okay.
I mean, that just.
So this will hit there. I don't know if that matters versus there.
Well, wait, I see what's going on now. Hold on. I'm gonna take it back because what's going on is that this is the same on that side, but I can't make it all the way symmetrical. So let me ask you this. What would happen? So I've got, that closet is the dog thing here? Is the dog?
The kennel.
The kennel.
Always designing for one thing or another. So in elevation, that looks like this. So you can see I'm gonna put this brass curtain rod if she wants to close it. And then this of course says ensure placement of dog kennel prior to construction.
Yeah, see this?
Oh, that's the dog kennel?
Yeah. Ensure placement of dog kennel prior to construction.
Okay. So it's just boards going across, no cabinets, nothing?
Right. It's just open space. You're seeing that baseboard in the back, like at the rear wall. And then it's just shelving above. And that's this little brass curtain rod dealy thing. Just we're gonna put a curtain on it so she can open and close it.
Okay.
What's our height on that cased opening?
It's gonna be this high, but we're gonna do the fake transit.
No, here, but what about here? How high can we get here? We got a nice vine coming through.
So the ceiling height's 9 feet.
And so what's that case?
6.
Okay, so it's not far from each other. So what I'm saying is we get the cased opening.
You don't have it low enough that you have casing on the inside.
Right, just low enough to take the casing. So I'm wondering if we take this cased opening and if we scaled it down to the height, we would come in a little more on either side. Do you get what I'm getting at?
It's 10 feet to the top.
Gosh, we're so damn close, right? You just have the header. What's the header? 2 by 12s?
It could be 2 by 10s, but
2 by 10s.
7/6 is right here.
Right. I want to go higher.
The casing is 5.5.
No, but can't the casing go over the header?
Yeah, it can.
Yeah, so go up.
You want the casing all the way up here?
Yes.
Okay, so 7/6, you want 6 more inches, that's 8 feet.
Yeah, I do.
And 6 inches. The top of the casing right here.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's what we want.
okay.
We want to go big.
Okay.
Lots of light.
So 8 foot opening.
Yeah. Yeah.
I just need a drawing. Just tell me what you want and we'll build it.
I'm gonna send you a picture.
Going into the primary bedroom, we are creating these two kind of fun closets on either side, trying to create as much storage as we possibly can, and also creating this little vestibule to create a closet. And then this is her primary bedroom, which is, again, using the space as best as we can to create this L-shaped vanity. We're going to add this window. We're going to add these long cabinets on either side, have some open shelving, and then I've created this little vanity space where we can put a stool up under there, extra storage on either side, a sink. She loves color, and we've got some fun ideas on the interior design end, so stay tuned for that.
Hey, I'm John Mills with Franson Mills, Landscape
Yeah.
Architects.
And Jennifer Kaltwasser, architect with Franson Mills.
Yeah, and so excited they're here helping us with the shotgun renovation and have great ideas on the landscaping. Okay. All right, but this looks cool. See, we've got like this little seating area, plantings.
Yes, yeah.
And we could price a water feature, and we could price
Okay,
more like
okay.
a built-in water feature. But by the time we added the basin, that's going to add another
It's gonna
40
be-
or 50.
okay,
I think
okay.
that's going to be a big cost.
Okay,
The
then that's
water feature.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's one of those. But we'd have to come up. We'd have to buy a piece.
A piece.
We could do it. We would buy a physical fountain piece.
Okay.
And that's how you do it. So
And
no,
you put
to
it
answer-
into your
And basically, it would sit. We could put it up on a pedestal here,
Okay.
and it'd be like a little wall fountain. That just
Yeah.
circulate.
Okay.
So to answer your question, if we built it in all
yeah.
in one pour, it'd be expensive. We can look for a piece.
Okay.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay.
It's more of a applied piece. Okay.
Okay.
Just to get that water
Just to get
sound.
that
The sound.
Yeah. All right, so here we are at Eve's and we're checking out the progress. Tripp and team has it all going on. This is where we had that double wall, so the framing has come down for it so we can make it flush, and then we've got a nice big room so we can get a TV and a sectional, and this will be a great family room with, of course, all of these windows. And I've been working on an interior scheme I'm excited about, and I'll be showing you guys that as well.
So this is what we have here is 12 inches.
Yep.
And then we did the same here.
Yeah. Yeah, these all align. And the center of this is the center of that. Yeah, that's perfect. You got it?
Got it? Good.
You don't need me anymore.
All right.
We got the dog kennel space. I'm gonna get all this. Yeah, I really think this will be better if we get this door out of here and just frame it up flush.
Let's build this wall. Look at that. That's what and this man's looking for that board.
Where'd this come from?
That was the beam that was up there.
Can I plane? What is that? That
26 by 8.
can I plane that to 2x8?
Plane it?
I don't know. Cut it.
You can cut it.
Can I cut that to 2x8? Now I need 2x8. Is that fine?
2 by 8 is what she wants. She covets that.
Yes, any 2x8s.
Okay, I'll put them.
Please.
But don't give her that one.
No, not that.
Yeah, don't give that.
Okay, I'm cool.
Any 2x8s that look like this.
We're in the trash.
The old
box,
2 by
8s.
I know. Tripp, I made him stop by a trash pile and call a contractor if we could have the 2x8s.
Love it.
Okay, so how are y'all gonna do this?
We're basically gonna run like a ledger board of double P,
Double beam,
On
header,
top of
double
the
header,
cell.
2 by
2 by 8s.
2 by 8.
To match, just 2 by 10 ripped down.
2 by 10 ripped down. Okay.
And then we're just gonna extend our joist onto this sill.
Yeah.
Instead of like putting
That
a
makes
new
sense,
footing and
yeah.
everything, it's all here. And then
Oh yeah, because it'll span across the footing.
and
Okay.
get rid of those studs. Get
Cool.
rid of that post. Build a little T right here. No, okay.
Okay, cool. All right, I'm excited about this.
Good.
Good
All
deal.
right, plans coming together.
Yep. If you want to work with us, visit our website at byatelierdesign.com. Thanks for watching, y'all.